Alright guys, I'm in Bellagio right now. I'm gonna show you how to get to Cosmopolitan from Bellagio by walk. There are many different ways to get there. This is one of the ways that I normally take to get to Cosmopolitan from Bellagio. So come with me. See a great view of the street. Alright, here's the escalator that you have to take first. You can enjoy this great view of the street while you're walking through this alley. Let's see. Alright. While walking, enjoy the view. If you're coming to Vegas and don't know about directions well, you can take this video how to get to Cosmopolitan area from Bellagio. Alright. See the Cosmopolitan right here. Saying bye-bye to Bellagio. Bye-bye, Bellagio and Caesars Palace. Great ocean. One last time, if you missed. Here we go. The panoramic view. This is a panoramic view. How is this? Alright, I take the escalator. See the Cosmopolitan entrance. Take this escalator downstairs. Alright, we're back to Las Vegas Boulevard. Here we go, take a look. We are back to Las Vegas Boulevard, guys. Sorry. See the Cosmopolitan here. South side of a strip and opposite north side of the strip. Got it? Alright, let's go to Cosmopolitan.
Guys, free drinks, free shows tonight. Join us, Planet Hollywood.
Alright, entrance to the Cosmopolitan. Hope you like my video.